Hey, how are you? Sorry for being missing for a while. Glad to be back. I was traveling and then I had other life things happen. So yeah, I've been busy. But here is your weekly art tips and journal video. So let's get into it. Today I want to encourage you to not give up on your art journey or your artwork. Uh, Despite it being difficult at times and you wanting to give up, don't, please. I've been there and I know how you can feel. There are times when you get very discouraged. I've gotten very discouraged, and that's why I ask you to not give up, because there is sometimes what you have to do is pause and take a break from it. And there's nothing wrong with that. Giving it a break for a couple months or whatnot, and then coming back to your art can really help you feel better and, feel refreshed. But in general, don't ever completely give up on it, because it is something that is valuable to you as an individual, and it can make you feel good, feel happy. And I'll tell you that I've, in a way, kind of given up on my personal art or art in general over the years. I've not completely given up on it, but kind of set it to the side. I have had times also when I've had negative experiences, let's say things that have annoyed me or really got me down. For example, last month I did a commission for this person, and they did not like the artwork that I did and refused to fulfill their part of the deal and basically returned the painting to me. And so that really made me mad, and I didn't want to really do the drawing in the first place, but I did. In all, it really put me down because, number one, I didn't want to do it, but I did it. And then number two, they didn't appreciate my work, which not everyone will, okay, but they rejected it, and it was discouraging for me. But overall, I know that, okay, they didn't like that drawing of mine, but that's my style. If they wanted something else, so that is maybe a fault in communication or whatnot, or that's a discussion for another day. But in the long run, I did enjoy doing that drawing, and I learned things from it. I had a good time, but I'm not going to give up on my artwork just because of that one negative experience. I'm going to continue. Actually, I'm planning on doing a painting for my dad of his hometown in Ecuador, South America. So I'm going to do this scene with the Pacific Ocean and maybe some mangroves and a little hut or house from his childhood. So you have to sometimes have bad experiences, whether it be when you're selling art or when you're doing it for yourself. Maybe you mess up and you get discouraged, but overall, don't give up on it, because there's enough people and there's enough time that we spend doing other things like social media and on our phones and tablets. But just try to, if you have to, give your art a break, fine. But overall, don't give up on it. Maybe set it to the side for a minute and then come back to it. But value your creativity, your inspiration. Maybe don't show your art to anyone at all. Just have it for yourself. That way, maybe nobody can criticize it or comment on it. it's completely yours and it's very personal. I know some people do that with their journals or whatnot, and so you can have that to yourself so that nobody else can see it and have either negative or critical comments about it. If that's one thing getting you down, or if you have your own personal self-doubts, well, don't give up on it. It is something that over time you can grow on, even if it takes years or even decades to grow or to get better, even if it's so slow that you don't think you're ever going to improve. You will. Maybe it'll take 20 years or even longer. And I've been there, I've talked about that point in other videos, how sometimes you feel stuck, but just keep going. Maybe you have other life activities come in and take up your time, but in the long run, keep doing your artwork and keep being creative. Alright, that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care, bye.